Millennials are often called the YouTube generation for their propensity to post images and videos of their everyday lives online. This is because, as a generation, millennials have grown up with technology, from smartphones to social media sites like Instagram. They live in a world of constant change and expect that from everyone they interact with. From this perspective, it makes sense that investing should follow suit. Investing means putting your money or funds into something with the expectation of a return. After all, no one wants to see their money stay stagnant and lose value over time. However, investing doesn't mean you need to break the bank either. Looking for good investment opportunities can be as easy as finding the right companies with great growth potential and solid financial metrics. So where should you start when searching for the best investments for millennials? What makes a great investment for millennials? Millennials are tech enthusiasts, so investing in technology is a great way to make a return. Companies like Google, Apple, and Amazon are great options for investing. These companies are in the middle of big innovations, and this means that the future could look very bright for them. Another huge factor when looking for investments for millennials is focus on ROI. Even though this generation is tech-savvy and expects the best, they're also realistic. They know that investments can take time to return, and they're okay with that. Millennials want to see a clear path to their return, and they're more than willing to wait for it. Stocks. Stocks are the most popular investment option among millennials. Simply put, they're betting on companies to make money. And that's not a bad idea. With many stocks making headlines all the time, it's easier than ever to find great investments. You can even invest in individual stocks online through online brokerages like Robinhood. Robinhood's free stock trading app makes it easy to invest in a variety of companies. And with no fees, you can invest in stocks at no cost. You can either invest $1 in every stock you buy or set up a larger investment plan with a percentage of your money. Bonds. Investing in bonds is a great option for a more conservative approach to your money. These investments are simply a loan from the government, and the government will make you a profit if the price goes up. However, if the price goes down, you'll just be stuck with a loss. With so much at stake, investing in bonds can be a bit risky. However, you can minimize the risk by choosing a low-risk investment. As with stocks, you can invest in individual bonds. However, it's easier to find good bonds if you buy a few large ones. You can then invest small amounts into each one to avoid too much risk. Real estate. Real estate investing is best for those who want to make a massive return. Buying single-family homes and renting them out can be a great way to make a decent amount of money. You can either buy these homes yourself or find investors to buy them for you. The best way to find good properties to invest in is through real estate investing sites like Zillow. These sites have in-depth information on every property, including information like the price, property details, and recent sales. Real estate is a great option for millennials because it has a high ROI and low amount of risk. That's great for anyone who wants to make a large return with a low amount of risk. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Investing in a Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency is making an incredibly high-risk investment. However, it can also be an incredibly lucrative investment too. The safest option is to invest in a low-risk, high-reward fund. That way, you'll be able to make a decent amount of money even if cryptocurrencies crash. One of the best ways to find great investments for millennials is through investment specialized sites. These sites have a wealth of information on different investments. Simply select the type of investment you're looking for, and you'll be given a wealth of information to help you find the best option. The bottom line. Investing is a great way to grow your money over time and enjoy the benefits of compounding interest. However, most people simply don't know where to start. That's why we went through all of these factors when looking for investments that would be great for millennials. Investing in technology, companies with big growth potential, and low-risk returns are great choices. You'll be glad you took the time to look for great investments.